Party condemns the brutal treatment meted out to the peaceful protesters yesterday in Panjim who were demanding justice for Father Bismarck. काल पळय कितें घडलां तेचेर आमचो निशेध काँग्रेस पार्टीचो. It was horrendous to see elderly ladies, senior citizens and even priests being dragged into the police vans. जे तरेन पळय जाणट्या बायलांक ओडीत बासीन पळय बांदूल करून घाल्ल्या ते पळोवंक सारकें न्हू. आनी they were also kept in detention till about 7:38 in the evening. They were taken there late, which is against the law. Bayal munchang munjan orong daina. Compare this to the agitation of the Nigerians. Nigerians jenna agitation करता तेंका कांयच करिना तुमी. आमचे लोक, आमचे भाव भयणी, कोणाचे आवय बापूय, कोणाचे शापाय शामाय, ह्या जाणट्या लोकांक तुमी हो ट्रीटमेंट दिता. It is a shame on this government. People are simply asking for a SIT. SIT diya denga. What is the government afraid of? We didn't want to politicize it, that's why we didn't come there for the agitation. But truth must come out. The intolerant face of BJP was evident yesterday. We condemn this and we demand a judicial inquiry into the happenings, whatever happened yesterday, the police excesses that happened on the people of Goa.
Ultimately, lok magta fair investigation, and the Congress party demands that fair investigation should be done by the government, and the truth has to come out, because Bismarck, Father Bismarck, was an activist who was involved in many social issues.